Good morning, my dear children. In this video, we can learn about singular and plural nouns. First of all, do you remember what a noun is? What do you mean by noun? Noun. We have already learned it. Noun can be a person, place, animal, or thing. A noun can be a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, words like Delhi, cat, bench, book, Hari, Rahul. Okay, all these are nouns. A noun can be a person, place, animal, or thing. Then, what do you mean by singular and plural nouns? Let's learn it today. Singular noun. Singular noun means one of something. Singular means in the word singular itself, the meaning is there. Singular. In the word singular, we can see the word single. Single means one. Okay, single means one. So, singular means one of something. There will be only one of something. For example, cat. Cat means only one cat. Then dog. Book. Okay. All these are singular nouns. One book, one cat, one dog. Cat, dog, book. Okay. One singular noun. Singular noun means one noun. One noun. Okay. Then, what do you mean by plural noun? Plural noun. Plural noun means more than one. More than one. Plural. Plural means more than one. An easy way to remember this is that in the word plural, we can find the word plus. We use the plus sign to add something. No? We use the plus sign to add something. So, plural means more than one. For example, in words like girls, there are more. Girls means there are more than one girl. Girls, boys, pets. Okay. All these are plural nouns. Now, let's learn how to change a singular noun to a plural noun. Let's learn 4 rules in changing a singular noun to a plural noun. It's very simple. Please listen to me carefully. You can write it down in your notebook if you want. Okay? Rule 1. Add yes at the end of a singular noun to make it plural. Okay? Add yes at the end of a noun. For example, I'll give you some examples. 1. Dog. Then girl. Then book. See, these are singular nouns. Dog means one dog. Girl, one girl. Book, one book. These are singular nouns. Now, how can we change it into plural nouns? By simply adding s at the end of these words. Now, by adding s at the end of dog, it became dogs. Girl, girls. Books, book, books. Okay? Now, let's learn the second rule. Rule 2. Add es at the end of words ending with s, x, z, sh, ch. Okay? Please remember these hissing sounds. Z, 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 sh, ch. Okay? In the case of these hissing sounds, in the case of words ending with S, X, Z, SH and CH, we can change it into plural noun by adding ES. Okay? Add ES at the end of words ending with S, X, Z, SH and CH. For example, words like bus, box, bench, quiz, kiss. We can change these words into its plural form by adding ES. The word bus, the last letter is S. Okay, CS. So, we can make it plural by adding ES. Buses. Then box. The last letter is X. So, we can make it plural by adding ES. Then bench. The last letters are CH. So, we can add ES to make it plural. Then quiz. Last letter is Z. Quizzes. Then kiss. Last letter is again S. Okay. So, in the case of words ending with S, X, Z, SH and CH, we can make it plural by adding ES at the end of these nouns. Third rule. In the case of words ending with Y, okay, in the case of nouns ending with Y, we can change it into a plural noun by dropping the Y. By dropping the Y and adding IES. Okay. Rule 3. Drop Y and add IES. For example, just look at these words. First one, puppy. The word puppy ends with the letter Y. So, we can convert it into plural by dropping this Y and adding IES. Okay? Puppy. Puppy means one puppy. What do you mean by puppy? Puppy is the young one of a dog. Okay. Then puppies is the plural. Then cherry. We can convert this singular noun to a plural noun by erasing this Y and adding IES. Cherries. Then story. Drop the Y and add IES. Stories. Then baby. Babies. Then party. Party. Parties. Then lady. Drop the Y and add IES at the end of the word. Okay. So in the case of words ending with Y, drop Y and add IES to make it plural. Now, let's move on to the fourth rule. Rule number 4. Drop F and FE and add VS. In the case of nouns ending with F or FE, just replace the F and FE with the letters VES to make it plural. Okay? Just drop the F and FE at the end of the singular nouns and add VES to make it plural. For example, leaf. The word leaf. Here, the word leaf ends with the letter F. In order to make it plural, we can just drop the F. We can replace the F with the letters VES. Okay. Then, next one. Knife. This word ends with the letters FE. We can just replace the FE with the letters VES to make it plural. Knives. Leaf plural, leaves. Knife plural, knives. Is it clear to you? I will tell you once again. In the case of words ending with S, Z, X, SH and CH, we can change those nouns into their plural forms by adding ES at the end. Okay? Then, in the case of words ending with Y, we can make it plural by dropping the Y and adding IES at the end. Then, in the case of words ending with F or FE, we can change it into plural by replacing the F and FE with the letters VES at the end. Okay? And in the case of all other words, we can just make them plural by adding yes at the end. Okay, by simply adding yes at the end of the words, we can change it into plural form. Okay. Now, can I give you some more examples? See these words: which, dish, city, truck. How can we change them into plural? In the case of the first word, which, the last letters are CH. So, we should add ES at the end of this word to change it into a plural. Witches. Okay, then dish. Again, the last letters are SH. So, we should add ES at the end. Dishes. Then, city. The last letter is Y. So, in the case of Y, in the case of nouns ending with Y, we should drop the Y and add IES. Cities. The plural of city is cities. Then, truck. Here, we cannot find any letters ending with S, Y, CH, SH, XZ and all. So, we can just make it plural by adding S to it. Trucks. Okay. Now, please take your textbook. Let's do a few exercises related to singular and plural nouns in your textbook. All of you please take page number 20. Take the correct endings to make the plural forms of these words. Here we have got 9 words. Let's change these words into their plural forms. First one, cloud. How can we make it plural? By adding yes. Okay, so you can tick the S. Clouds. Then shoulder. Plural of shoulder is shoulders. Then copy. The word copy ends with the letter Y. So we know that in the case of nouns ending with Y, we can make it plural by dropping the Y and adding IES. So tick the third option, IES. Copy, plural, copies. Okay. I have given you 3 answers. Can you do the rest 6 on your own? Do the rest on your own. Okay. Next one. Use grammar. Play this game in pairs. Complete these words by adding beginnings or endings to make plural words. Whoever finishes first will call out stop. Here you can see small boxes in which we need to complete these words. We need to complete these words by adding beginnings or endings to make them plural words. Okay? I will give you some examples. The first one, latch. Latch is a singular word. How can we make it plural? We know that the ending of this singular noun is CH. This word ends with the letters CH. So, we can make it plural by adding ES. Latches. Then, next one, dash VES. We know that VES comes in the case of plural words which have F or FE at the end in its singular form. Okay, in the case of singular words ending with F or FE, it will become VES at the end in its plural form. So, dash VES. Leaves. Leaves. Then, your selves. Similarly, can you make plural words? Please try to do it on your own. Should I give you some more examples? Okay, I will give you 3 more examples. WI, we need to complete this word. We should make it plural. Windows. windows. Then second, yes is the last. So you can write any word here. We know that there are many words ending with S in their plural form. Dogs, bottles. Okay, you can write down any word here. Then sailor. What's the plural of sailor? Sailors. Okay, I have completed 6 boxes. Now please do the rest on your own. Work in groups of 3. Each student will write one of these headings in her or his notebook. Children, please take your notebook and draw a small box. You can write these as headings, singular words, plural words, incorrect words. Now you can see a small box here in which there are a number of words. Now read the words in the box below. Write only the words that belong to your list under the heading. Compare your list and see if you have completed the task correctly. What do you have to do now? You have to choose the singular words from this box. You can see a number of words in this box. You have to choose the singular words from this box and write them down under the heading singular words. Then you should pick out the plural words from this box and write them under the heading plural words. And there are some incorrect words inside this box. Okay? Some words are spelled incorrectly. There are some spelling mistakes in the case of some of these words. And such words, those incorrect words should be written under the heading incorrect words. I will show you. All of you take your notebook and draw a box like this and write the heading singular words, plural words and incorrect words. Then see the first word, girl. Girl is a singular noun. We know that girl is a singular noun. So we can write it under the heading singular words, girl. Then horse is again another singular noun. You can write it again under the heading singular words. Then houses. Houses is a plural word. So you can write it here. Newses. Newses is an incorrect word. What is the plural form of news? N-E-W-S. The plural form is also news. N-E-W-S. Okay. So this is an incorrect word. You can write it under the heading incorrect words. Then babies. Babies is another example for plural word. Then potatoes. The spelling is wrong. What is the plural form of potato? P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Okay. The plural form of potato is P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Here E is missing. P-O-T-A-T-O-S. This is wrong. So you can write it under the heading incorrect words. Then daisy. You might have heard of the flower daisy. Daisy is a singular word. Then papers. Leaf. Leaf is a singular word. Papers. Papers is a plural word. Then woman. Womans. What is the plural form of woman? The plural form is women. W-O-M-E-N. Plural form of woman is women. W-O-M-E-N. Here it is written N-E-S. This is spelled incorrectly. This is an incorrect word. Hence you can write it here. Similarly, you can write down the rest of the words under these 3 headings. Can you do it on your own? Please complete this. Okay.